Restoration and Waterproofing Contractors has offices in Wichita, Topeka, and Kansas City. The proper removal and replacement of deteriorated mortar between brick and stonework is an art. It is important the job be done properly with appropriate materials. Let Restoration and Waterproofing Contractors, Inc. work on your brick building. We've solved a multitude of mortar-related problems caused by high salt air, excessive moisture, and the freezing-thawing cycles, and specialize in historical building repair.